While walking along a shore alone on a bummel, I saw a mirthful swineherd who was watching a herd of pigs. I went towards her right away, following the ridge of a fallow, with her ugly, repulsive body, swarthy, black like tar, and as fat as a barrel. Each of her breasts was so large that she looked like an English woman. Upon seeing her so disgusting, I was taken aback. She stayed there dumbly, and I told her, "Gracious lady, beautiful thing," and courteously learned to tell me whether you are a maiden. In the meanwhile, under her skirt, she scratches and rubs with vigor her misshapen tub of a body, and hadn't the rim of the skirt been there, all her slit would have been visible. She then answered with a bellowing, hoarse voice,
"Man, what do you want from me?"
"Get lost, for God's sake." "Lovely girl," I resumed, "I have suffered much for your sake, and therefore I endear you to tell me willingly what I ask you."
Sir, in order to avoid an argument and to escape a dispute, on condition that it isn't blamed on me, I will tell you this as much as I can. No husband nor spouse rules over me, nor was I ever submitted to a man, nor was I his table or saddle.
"Today, girl, you shall be caught red-handed, since I well know who embraces you."
Don't blame me for the cattleman, poor me, for I would have been interred long ago. Without his cheerfulness, he plays his flute so well, he makes me rejoice and renews me.
There doesn't pass a day he doesn't drink with me from the barrel's bottom with his mouth, without trying anything dishonorable, which between us just doesn't happen.
Swineherd, apparently you love him of perfect love.
Oh yes, more than the pig loves acorns, or a trousseau cabbage. Sister, you speak so well that you transpierce me all over.
I endear you that we both go amuse ourselves among those ferns before my love sickness grows.
Sir, I don't think that this may. You will see me go that way.
She who betrays her oaths must drain the bitter cup.
"Since embroidery without eyelets is worth little," said I, "let your good heart avail me."
You are moving me to great folly, fair lord, because I love you plenty.
Therefore she let herself go, so much that I was almost afraid.
Sister, since you can catch so well, let's go place our trap down there in the early grass.
She lifts her skirt up to better walk unhindered, and leads me under a beech, and there
She bends over.
on the front side said I, "My girl, you are too becoming, so that you shan't see me this year docking in this port of yours."
Since you see that I am playful, sir, you think about perversions, and I would rather be struck by lightning than commit such a grievous sin.
She walks away and makes a getaway. She goes with a threadbare skirt, big enough to look like a cupboard, but while crossing the rill she slips and deals with it so skillfully that with a flick of her jaw she falls bottom up. Upon seeing such an expertise, I left the place altogether.
Humble flower, purity and beauty never leave your side, and since you are the flower of nobility, my heart tells and repeats me that he is a fool who opposes you.